In this video, you'll learn how to use Agoda Wallet Credit so you can make the most of any rewards or refunds sitting in your account. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Agoda cash and how to start applying it to your bookings. First, you'll need to log into your Agoda account, open your browser, and go to the Agoda website or use the Agoda app if you prefer your phone or tablet. On the homepage, look for the option to sign in, usually at the top right on desktop or in the menu on mobile. Enter your login details or use a connected account such as a social login if that's how you originally signed up. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one email in the past, because your wallet credit is tied to a specific profile. Once you're signed in, the next step is to open your account menu. On the top right of the page, you'll see your profile picture or a generic profile icon if you haven't added a photo. Click on that icon. On the app, you may need to tap the account or profile section at the bottom or in the side menu to reach the same place. After clicking your profile picture or icon, a small menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this menu, select the option labeled Agoda Cash or Agoda Wallet, depending on how it appears in your region. This is where all your wallet credit, including rewards, refunds, or promotional credits, is stored and managed. When the Agoda Cash page opens, take a moment to read the information shown there. You'll typically see your current available balance, any pending amounts, and details such as expiry dates or specific conditions for use. This page may also include explanations about where your credit came from, like a refund from a previous booking or a special promotion. Reading this information carefully is important because some credits might only be usable for certain types of bookings, or they may have a time limit before they expire. If you see any notes or links to more details, it's worth quickly reviewing them so you understand exactly how your wallet credit works. Once you're familiar with your Agoda Cash and you've checked your balance, you can now start using it on your next booking. When you search for a hotel, flight, or other travel service and move through the checkout process, keep an eye out on the payment page. If you have eligible wallet credit, Agoda will usually show an option to apply your available Agoda Cash toward the total amount. You can confirm that the wallet credit is being used by looking for a line that shows the deduction before you finalize the payment. If you don't see it during checkout, go back and double check that you're logged into the same account where your credit is stored and that the type of booking you're making is eligible based on the details you just read on the Agoda Cash page. And that's all there is to it. By logging in, opening your profile, selecting Agoda Cash and reviewing the information there, you'll know exactly how much wallet credit you have and be ready to apply it to your upcoming trips.